You see this file in a Blu-ray or AVCHD camera folder. It's just the movie index information, not the movie itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you which file is the real video. Pro tip: for BDM files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. The BDM extension is intended for use with all standard video file software. The design foundation relies solely on the AVHCD InFileion file type. The BDM file is a video stream metadata file generated by Blu-ray discs and camcorders using the AVCHD format. It contains essential information about a video clip, such as the creation time, thumbnail references, and stream data pointers. Developed by Cyberlink and part of the AVCHD specification, the file must be present alongside the video file, MTS or M2TS, in the original folder structure. Attempting to open the BDM file alone is pointless, as it only contains metadata. Its purpose is to instruct media players like Cyberlink Power DVD on how to correctly interpret the accompanying video stream. Windows often defaults to associating BDM with the Cyberlink Power DVD solution from Cyberlink. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows handles playback, while video stabilization or advanced operations must be done elsewhere. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the BDM file and choose Open With. Use Cyberlink Power DVD as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If you cannot access the BDM file, no problem. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, verify trusted sites. If using Internet Explorer, go to Internet Options. Security. Trusted sites, and add all required domain addresses. Next, install missing components. Ensure all BDM components published by EMC or EMC Corporation are installed, or run the full installer again. Finally, use Direct Login John Viewer. Try launching WebExtender through Direct Login or use the light version of BDM, which works on other browsers to view documents. When the common routes for opening your BDM file fail, we know this requires deeper file access. The next step is to use software engineered for challenging BDM formats. For guaranteed results, the one-click BDM fix is File Magic. It opens almost any format imaginable. Find the program at filemagic.com. Thank you so much for your time. Your like and subscription make a real difference to the channel. Stay tuned for more expert solutions next week.